Hi guys, back again, evening now. Is it Monday or a Tuesday? Tuesday. One more week left here in Addis Ababa. As you can see, it's getting dark and you can see the mountains in the back. So I've come to my favourite cafe here and I'm going to try some food out. Before we've got a podcast later on today. So of course here in Addis Ababa we're 2 hours in front of the UK, of our brothers and sisters in the UK. So let me just see if I can get the mountains in. You can see the mountains. Yeah, it looks pretty far on the camera, but sitting here they look pretty close. It's kind of strange. And then behind me you've got it's a long road, and can you see that?
Let's give camera. Let's give the camera for you.
Yeah, I'm recording, yeah. You want to say hello? Do you want to say hello?
Yes.
Oh, if you stand there, I put it on YouTube.
Okay.
So,
Hello, hey, how are you? I'm good. How was you? How was your day? My God, it's good. Thank you so much. Your friend or family?
it'll be, I upload it later today. Yeah, I upload it later on my YouTube channel. So, thank you, bro.
Thank you so much.